It's another great skiing exhibition, folks. The great Swedish skiing superstar is just about to break the world's record.
Oh, goody, goody. I love skiing, yeah. Nothing in the world gives me so much joy. What do you think you are doing?
Wondering who would watch an old-fashioned sport like skiing.
Hey, was watching it.
Oh, so you're old-fashioned.
Get your hands off of me. You better watch it, Woodpecker. Skiing is the sport of my fatherland.
More like the sport of your grandfatherland. Snowboarding's where it's at.
Yeah, well, skiing's the greatest sport.
Snowboarding.
Skiing.
I still say snowboarding's the best.
Can't decide on the best method to get down a frozen mountain? Then you should sign up for the Inertiathon, the all-out freestyle race to the bottom of Mount Incline Plain. It's the downhill experience of a lifetime. What's in it for you? Well, the first to reach the bottom wins $50, a year's supply of cornmeal, and a firm handshake.
This will settle it once and for all, you bet. I challenge you to the race.
You're on.
Well, here we are with two lively contestants who hope to settle the debate of which is better.
Skiing!
Snowboarding.
Although there's some folk who stick to the old standby, tobogganing.
Hiya, buddy.
Tobogganing!
Well, I guess this little difference of opinion will be settled on the slopes. Racers, to your marks.
Hey, Wally, your boot's untied.
Hold my poles, Woodpecker.
Get set.
Woodpecker, my poles.
Here you go. Cheese.
Hiya, buddy.
What are you looking at, loser?
Jiminy! I need some ski wax.
If he wants to stick to skiing, I'll make him stick but good. This glue will do the trick.
Skiing I will go, skiing I will go. I will beat the woodpecker and make him eat my snow.
Hiya, buddy.
Whoa! With moves like that, you should try snowboarding, Wally.
I'm a skier. I show them a thing or two. Well, at least I landed safely.
Sure showed that, two-planker. Man, did I make a wrong turn.
Hiya, buddy.
Thanks, pal. Let's see Wally get through that.
Oh, ogly mogly. Moguls are my specialty.
Oh, Woodpecker!
See you later, Wally.
Yeah, hello? This Folly. Remember that favor you said you owed me? Well, I want the woodpecker taken care of. You know what I mean?
Consider it done. Ah, Swedish meatballs. Time to meet your maker, Woodpecker. Get it? Meet your maker. I crack myself up sometimes.
Oh my gosh! Swedish hitman! Oh yeah?
Bye-bye.
Hey, how come they're laughing?
Hiya, buddy.
Oh, goody. There's the finish line.
Another great toboggan victory! How does tobogganing compare with skiing and snowboarding?
I told you! The world's greatest sport is tobogganing! Nothing higher! Nothing closer to perfection! How many times do I have to tell you? Can't you people get it through your heads? Tobogganing rules! Oh, it's my purpose